Okay. Good morning, everybody. This is Animal Paradise Farm. I'm at that place where I was somewhere around the Obafe Owode local government, Obafemi Owode local government area of Ogun State. Yeah, like I said last time, we are having they are digging the fence. They want to use all these blocks you're seeing. If you see this is more than this. The first time I made a video, it's more than this. We're using this block to fence all this area around down to that place where you see some shining things. From that shining things is chain link. I'm going to go there. To video that chain link. They've added some wood to this one also, to this particular one. They've added some wood to it. I want to go down to where the block guys are. Then I'll go to where the well is. Somebody asked me for the number of the guy digging the well. That's a Yoruba pattern. They'll dig the well, and then I'm approaching the noise, so noise may be coming into the video, but don't mind. They'll dig the well, and water will, from the well, be going down into the entering in. This is vibrated blocks, and then this is one of the things I'm going to talk about today. The region where you are doing your farming will determine the materials you'll be having to use. Like we in Edo State, we use blind blocks. Here they use hollow blocks. These are 5 inches hollow blocks. So is it 5 inches or 6 inches? This should be 6 inches. This should be 6 inches hollow blocks. 6 inches hollow blocks. They've added some blocks to this worker section. Okay, yeah. That guy told us he was going to cut out kitchen. Okay, yeah, this is a kitchen. This kitchen. Okay, there's a small lobby here. There's a kitchen. There's toilets. This lobby leads to that room. This lobby also leads to this room. So the 2 rooms are going to be able to use this. Okay, now back to the reason why I came down here. Okay, so there's somebody inside there now. Alerio. What's the meaning of hole in Yoruba? What's hole in Yoruba? Well, she go bend. Is it straight? Baba Kushembe yo. Anki yo. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. How you doing? I dey fine. Me look by number lower in just now. Thank you very much. I'm speaking funky Yoruba. Thank you very much. God bless you. Well done, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. Okay, máa ń jókòó ni. Máa ń jókòó ni. Tó bá ti di ibi tó mi wà, báwo lẹ ṣe máa mọ̀? Kò sí wàhálà, máa rí omi. Máa rí ẹ̀. Okay. Ṣé o máa ṣe pẹ́? Kò ní pẹ́? Kò ní pẹ́, inshallah. So that's that for the well. Wow, they have this machine that is to pull out the sand. They will pull the sand inside this bucket, and then Elimeji ló máa fa kíní. Elimeji ni kó máa dúró síbẹ̀. No. Kò tí tó stage yẹn. Okay. So Eli kan lè ṣe. Okay. So they're going to throw that bucket. Okay, let me just take time to video this. Okay, the bucket will go down like that. They have a machine to go down like that. It's okay, it's going down. Okay, it's going down. All right. We can. I'm not sure it's going to be bright, but the man is doing something down there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they feel it. They are bringing it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's the sand. Okay. Yeah. So that's how they are doing that. Okay, that's very nice. Excellent. Okay, let me take one more time. Let me take one more time before I go to where they're doing that vibrated blocks. Like I was trying to say, a lot of people called me and said, okay, how much will it cost to do this particular kind of work? I seen it. I told them that you cannot actually get an accurate estimate because this is Ogun State. The price of things in Ogun State is different from the price of things in Edo State. Are you seeing it? Some of the granites that those guys got in this Ogun State for 300 and something thousand, in my state is 100 and something thousand naira. Are you seeing it? Because I think they call it quarry. There's a lot of quarries in Edo State there. If they have to drive from here to those quarries to go and get those granites, it may cost them much. But in our place, it's about 150, 170, 180 for the same thing that they got for 300 and something. Are you seeing it? While in Edo State, I priced shovel. When we're trying to come here, there's a shovel. The shovel they're using to pack sand. I priced shovel. They told me 6,000. And something happened. I didn't buy again. Then I now came to Ogun. I forgot. I came to Ogun State. Getting to Ogun State now, I now asked them how much is shovel. He said 3,000. I said, wow. How much last are you selling? He said I should bring 2.8. I now bought 3 shovel. One was 6,000 in my place. But here, one is 2,800. Are you seeing it? Because maybe it is close to Lagos, transport it from factory to Ogun State is not so expensive. While transport it from Lagos to Edo State is more expensive. So we cannot actually get Shombo. Okay, let me video it again. We cannot actually get accurate estimates. You will have to take the estimate based on the states where you are working. That state will determine. The same thing with the price of animals. And the way you will price animals in the north is not the way you price them in the south. The way you price the Nigerian dwarf in the south is not the same price in the north. The way you price the Sokoto animals, the Sokoto red in the north, it's not the way you do it in the south. Yeah, that's what they're doing. Hello, Mr. Dog. you are not looking happy. It's very clear that you're a dog that is growing in the village. The dog is not looking happy at all. What's up? You're not smiling. All right. I want to go and check those vibrated blocks. The way they are doing it, I want to make a video of the vibrated blocks. And at the same time, I have a lot of things I need to do today. So that's that. The major challenge we are having in this place now is water. Water has finished. The guys bringing the water. I want to go to do now walk. Anything there where you want to show me? You want to show me something there? Okay, those guys doing our own work there said they have something. But I want to make a video of this vibrated block. They're going to be noise. So I may not talk as I'm there. Let's just watch what they are doing. How they are doing the vibrated blocks. Okay, they talk to me. You say what thing? Oh, I never come here since now. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another one before we go. Sir? Dúró díẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ mi mo ṣe o. Àbí?
You come here for other things o. Iṣẹ́ tó kálukú gbà yín báyìí. Na different work kọ́ lẹ́yẹ o.
Oya, ẹ ṣe video count ẹ ṣe.
Can't do too much for me. I don't like it. Am I going to operate on you? Okay. Am I going to operate on you?
Ah man, you got to wait now.
You don't give us money.
This is the guy doing the work. This is the guy that carried the contract of the motion of the block. He's showing here. These are his boys.
there need contract work.
Oh yeah, so somewhere.
About new contract work, let us know. May I give my number?
What is your name?
My name is Kehinde.
Kehinde. Ekpe number in
07 32 33 46 51.
That's the guy molding the block. He carried the contract of molding. How many thousand blocks?
6,000 blocks.
6,000 blocks. It was on contract. He will supply the cement, supply the sand, bring his machine, provide the blocks. So 6,000 blocks. Okay, I gotta go. My people have gone far. They've left me behind. I'm going. They have generator and everything. My people have left me behind. I need to go and meet them. So, wait. Just relax. So, that guy carried the contract of supplying 6,000 blocks. He brought the granite, brought the sand, brought the cement, brought his machine, and they priced it, and then he just put down there 6,000 blocks. Ogun State, they're using vibrated blocks. Edo State, we used to use blind blocks. We don't use hollow blocks in Edo State. There's the land. I'm still going. So the prices of things is not really the same at different states. It's not the same. Take for instance that guy doing the vibrated blocks here in Ogun State. Now he lives in Ogun State. The price is going to use to do that work here in Ogun State may not be the same price we used to do it if he's going to go to another state. He's going to consider transport and all those stuff. This place is a kind of hill, so when you're walking you'll be panting. Yeah. Okay, we started our block, our stuff here. This is the foundation. This is where the foundation of the block is going to end. It will end here. The block will end here and take here and go straight. You can see a whole block straight to the road. Man. While this chain link will start from here down. We've been digging. The ground is rocky, so digging it is not easy. It's rocky, digging it is not easy. So we're going. We came yesterday and then we started digging. We're going. All those guys are ahead of me. I'm going to try to match up to reach where they are. When I get there, I'm going to end the video because there are some persons in that place that will not want to show in the video. So don't, when you see me cut the video, just know how to cut it. I'm climbing hill, I'm panting, you know. It's not easy. So they've dug it and then put some chain link poles, and then they're gonna mix and cast. Boy, it's not easy, yo. To be climbing hill. Those guys are going far in the inside. Okay, we're going. Yeah. All right. If I end this video, I'm going to add another video to it. I think I'm getting close to those guys. I gotta end the video. I will add another video to it. Thank you, everybody. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Animal Paradise Farm. Man, my legs are aching. Okay, this is the survey block. This block you see is the survey block for the land. So you see we're actually following all the parameters. Okay. Those guys said they need to clear for us. This bush need to go because the rope is entering the bush. So the guys clearing need to clear that bush so that we can get rope from that survey block to this other survey block. Yeah, I think okay. They are going from this pole to that pole. This guy did well. Okay. The land is not straight, so they got here and then the land took another turn. down this way. This is another survey block. That's a survey block there. That's another survey block. So he got there, came here, and he took a turn this way. Without the bulldozer clearing, this work would have not been easy. And the ground is stony. It's a kind of a rock. Okay, it's a kind of a rock. So digging is not easy. Okay, I need to cut this video. This is under baking there. Okay, this is Animal Paradise Farm. In one of my adventures, into the bush. Yeah, this is another baking there. So that chain link is going to get to that baking, and then to take this line down. Those guys are far ahead of me. I was seeing them, now I'm no longer seeing them. Okay, that's the baking. So all these areas I'm showing, since we are using chain link on the area, it's not so cheap to use block to fence 10 acres. So we're going to do, I'm supposed to see a baking now. Okay, maybe it's still going straight. Okay, it's ahead of me. So it's not so easy to use blocks to do 10 acres. So that's why we're using chain link for some parts. Okay, so this is the boundary of the land. The boundary of the land. Yeah, that's the baking there again. So that baking will help us to take our lines, our chain link lines, that red rope you were seeing. We'll put that line, we'll peg it out 10 feet, and then we'll get it done. Okay, there's another baking at the stick ahead. So you see the bulldozer help us to create a kind of a good ground for us to walk. And then that chain link, if the ground is not so straight, the chain link, the under will not cover. Your little goat will be passing there out. I seen it. So this is another baking here. Another baking here. Yeah, oh man. The trekking is not, it's not an easy job. It's not easy. We are moving towards another baking, and then, like I was saying, you have to, the ground need to be smooth. If it's not smooth or leveled, the chain link under, if we're going up and down, the chain link under will be having some problems, and then we cannot do it. So I'm going to pause the video now, because the people I'm approaching, I don't want to show them in the video, or they don't want to be shown in the video. So I'll pause it. When I get past them, I'll start again.